Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can actually delete EA account on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here you just need to go through this profile icon and just go enter into the account setting. Once you come over here, then you can see there's no options available in here to delete our account. So how we can this one? So here you can see, if you want to delete your EA data, you just need to request your EA account data. So here just click on learn more. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to that page. So I will click that delete my EA account, and once I click over here, then they will give us the whole description. You just need to read it. Once you read it, then you will understand how easy the process was, but let's do it practically. So I will come over that place and let's find it out the help option. So just click over here EA help, and once you enter that place, you just need to go through this EA account first option. Just click over that place. Once you click over here, then here you can see popular help topics in EA account. Just click on see all help topics. Once you click over here, then just here you just need to search delete, and you will find out that I want to delete my personal data. I want to delete my EA account. We're looking for that one. So I'll click over here. Once you click over that place, then you just need to be logged in here, and then you just need to do your chat. Just click over here chat now, and then they will assist you to delete your EA account permanently. So this is the process. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.